Hey, what's going on? Hey, welcome to my channel. Thanks for being here. Really appreciate you. Hey, S&P 500 right now is up nine points. See how today brings. Last week was crazy, but we're gonna day trade the S&P 500. So thanks for being here. If you are new to this channel, welcome aboard. Number one, my name is Jeff. I've been trading for 18 years. Now, primarily, I've been trading options, right? Stocks and options, really, for the last, like I said, a while back. TTM squeeze, flags, breakouts, all that good stuff. But I have been day trading the S&P 500 futures for the last 5 years. So if you are interested in trading the futures, you come to the right spot, my friend. Come to the right spot. Now, I'm trading Apex. I got introduced to prop firm trading this year. So I'm trading a $50,000 Apex account. Welcome aboard. If you want to join as a bronze member, platinum, or join the school after you watch us, check down below. Thanks for being here. All right. Let's see if we can make some money today. I'm going to let everybody inside the room sit back, relax. I'll jump over to the chat as much as possible. You know, I'm day trading here live, so I'll try to look at the chat as well as day trade. But we'll see what we got. Market looks good. We'll see. Crypto market looks good as well. If you are trading crypto or into crypto, hey, I don't want to get my hopes up, but we're finally moving a little bit. What's going on, Mitch? What's up, Mitch? Yo, yo, yo. Ready to go, my friend. Let's do it. All right. Let's do it, Mitch. Just kind of make sure I'm set up, ready to rock. Woo! Last week was good, so let me. Mondays are always tricky. Mondays are always tricky for me. Kind of have to get back into it, right? Sometimes that's a little bit difficult after the weekend. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Ooh, let me unlock that. Yeah, right? You said that they're your worst day of the week. You know what? It is tricky because you got to get back into the groove. Coming from Saturday and Sunday, you know, kind of just decompressing away from it. It's a little bit difficult to get back into it. Some of my worst decisions have been on Monday. So let's see if that doesn't happen today. All right. Hopefully not, right? News announcements. Doesn't look like we have any news announcements, so we should be okay. All right. Ready to rock. Ready to rock and roll. Okay, let's see here. What did Charles say? Charles says it's also pivotal last week. It's the 50% of the Friday PM session swing. It's also the pivotal lows last swing on Friday. Oh, shit. Yeah, if you can figure that stuff out, Mitch, you are a legend. Brandon, what's going on, Brandon? What's happening, B? Market's going to open up about 30 seconds. You know what? If you can piece that puzzle together, you will be a legend. You will be a legend, bro. Nobody has been able to piece that puzzle. Let me tell you, we gave it a try for years and years and years. But hey, You piece it together, I'm telling you right now, you're a legend. Okay, let's get to work. I don't think John's going to be here all week, or he's going to pop in and out. John's going out of town, so John won't be here, so it's going to be kind of limited this week. Jason will pop in. Some people are still doing stuff, so just to kind of let y'all know. I'm going to let a couple minutes shake out. You know, Mondays are already tricky enough, right? Mondays are tricky enough, kind of getting back into the groove, you know, getting back in your rules. So we are bullish strong. Momentum here at the open's falling, which is, I guess it's because that candle right before we opened up. So I will, at least for 15 minutes, wow, 15 minutes, going to switch to my number 4 study set over here. Make sure I got it all properly worked out. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Ooh. Make sure I'm synced with CR charts. Sometimes it doesn't sync properly. Y'all know how that works. All right, let me go ahead and I'm going to mark this low down here. 54.75. I have a lot of key levels. So 54.75. All right. This orange right here is Friday's high. And that's Friday's close. So we're all bunched up. But I am going to be looking for my signal. Again, let a couple minutes shake out. One more minute and I'm going to pretty much be ready to go if we get that signal. All right. I did like the crypto market. I don't want to get my hopes up, but I'm hoping maybe we can get some tariff deals and that market starts to take off, man. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. All right. And again, we're bullish strong at the opening. We do have our micro momentum falling, so that's going to turn me into a more of a low probability situation. All right, let's mark this level. All right, I'm good to go now. 69.50. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so we got our key level here. I know we got a lot of bunched up. It's hard to see, but we got a 69.50 key level. We got multiple key levels right there. I am looking to go long. That's where I want to be this morning, right now. I'm looking to go long. Maybe we can come back in this area and bounce. Monday's tricky. Last thing we want to do is get ourselves in trouble. Market's pretty flat. Ticks are 370. Zoom in right there. All right. So we got us an intermediate confirmation. Let's see if it can. Let's see if that intermediate confirmation can confirm that setup. And then I'm going to look for an entry to go long. My dog's walking around. I don't know what the heck he's doing. Go lay down. Go lay down, Cook. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. My dog's right here. It's a 5, 6. And both of my dogs. We're babysitting 2 dogs this week. So I got 4 dogs here in the house. 4. It's crazy. Okay, so I'm going to be looking at this intermediate confirmation signal to go long. All right. Looks like we're going to confirm. Now let me see if we can get an entry. Like to bounce off these key level, go back up. That'd be nice. I'm looking for an entry to go long. Yeah, that 3-minute break is a lot lower probability than that 15-minute. You better believe it. We traded that 3-minute break for 5 years, and it's definitely not as reliable as the 15-minute or 30. You are absolutely correct on that one. See if we can get an engulfing candle here. All right, we did get that confirmation. Now I'm going to look to see if I can get triggered into this trade. I like it, though. It's flopping around a lot. It's very tricky. It's a very tricky trade. I'm in it long. So we'll see if we can get some juice up to the upside. All right. That's good. I'm in this trade long, so that's good. Kind of scared me. It almost stopped me out, and then it went up. So let's see if we can get some momentum, continuing it to the upside. Going back down again. Ticks are 244. So, I mean, we'll see what happens. This trade is definitely not as reliable, for sure. But, you know, we had a little intermediate confirmation signal. So, I mean, I just give it a shot, you know? So all you can do is give it a shot. As long as we close up like this, I'm going to take some risk off the table. I'm not looking at my P&L. That's one of the things I want to not do is look at that P&L. That thing messes me up, bro. That P&L screws me up. All right, so I'm going to be moving my stop up, which is good. So take some risk off the table. Now let's see if we can get a pop to the upside. All right, that's good. One more ups candle should put me in profit. We'll see what happens. We got 30 seconds. But this was an intermediate confirmation trade. It's working out good. I'm not going to look at my P&L, so that thing messes me up, man. All I want to know is, did I take a win or did I not take a win? Right now, all we got to do is hold that line and I'll at least be in profit. You know, maybe work our way back up here to that 69.50 area. But either way, I'm going to be locking in profit here. So no matter what, this is a winning trade. So that's good. There's no risk involved. And I'm doing 5 contracts too. So we'll see what happens. What's up, Jason? I'm in this trade. And we can't lose. We already locked in profit. I'm about to get stopped out, but at least for a little profit. Oh, I got stopped out. But I did get some profit. Not much. It's pretty volatile. See, it came down and picked me off right here. Oh, and now it's going to go back up. You dirty rat. But, hey, 1 for 1. Right. I got in about here. Got nicked off. So it wasn't much. This candle got me. That's all right. I'll take the win. We're doing a low probability trade right now. Yes, absolutely. Right here, brother. Bam. Didn't make much, though. It was not a big win. This candle got me. It's bouncing around a lot. But yeah, you got it. All right, let's see if we set up again. We confirm. I'll go look to take it again. I also, when a 15 minutes sets up, I am going to be looking for that 15-minute and 30-minute trade. So we could get bunched up on our signals. Ticks for 360. What's going to probably happen, though, is going to push this one up right now. Yeah. That candle got me. So it's pretty volatile right now. Wow. That candle got a lot. All right, look at that little shithead. All right, so damn it. That candle right there picked me off, and then this one shot up pretty much to my target. Oh, well. Yeah. Fucking wicks. So now we're approaching the 3-minute high. I'm not taking that break, though. That's not one of my plans anymore. Not with this type of environment. This environment's been tricky. But what I am going to do is I am going to mark this low. That's probably going to be the 15-minute low. Maybe. Let me go ahead and mark this. We got a lot of levels down here, so this is tricky. They kind of all get bunched up, so it's hard to see. That would have hit my target, just so you know. That would have hit my full target. If it wasn't for that one candle, that would have clocked full target. Oh, well. Little bastard. All right, again, we're still bullish strengthening over here on this 1 minute. That dictates what I do, right? We're in a low probability environment. The 15-minute trade, I am going to be looking to take that as well. Okay, that's one, that and the 30-minute. I'm going to give that a shot if it sets up. Let me check something out really quick while I'm waiting. Okay, cool, yeah. Ooh. All right. We got 2 minutes. 2 more of these. I'm going to wait. Again, John's not going to be here the majority of the week, so he said he was going out of town with his wife. That one candle. Little shithead. All right, we're working good. Again, I will look to take the 15-minute trade. At 1 minute. Also, we're going to change over here in the 15-minute. It's probably going to be high probability, which means it's going to be a lot of action probably. $30 seconds. 76.25. I'm going to go ahead and mark it. It may not hold, but I'll go ahead and mark it and just adjust it. We'll see. We'll see if that sticks. So get ready. There's a lot of possibilities that can happen here in a minute. 10 seconds. All right. Now, We are in a high probability environment. So we're going to probably have a lot of action here. I want to zoom in so I can see. All right, so we are bullish strong, and we're picking up momentum. So I'm in a high probability, but watch these ticks too. That 15-minute trade and 30-minute trade for me really also heavily depend on the ticks. So there's a lot of possibilities right now. Okay. And I am watching this to see how we react. That 15-minute break, it's kind of like this. When it breaks, it either works or it doesn't. There's pretty much no in between. Right? It is what it is, right? It either works or it doesn't work. Because if it breaks and then gives us a trap or a fake out, we're done. And that can happen a lot. So again, it is what it is, right? We got 10 seconds. All right. So we got this trade. I'm not going to give it much room at all. Okay? I won't be giving it much room at all. It either works or it doesn't. Okay? Ticks are picking up. That's good. All right. Friday, I took this trade and I got waxed on this trade, dude. Momentum here. I got my stop real tight. It ain't got any juice in it. I'm going to break even. Oh. Yeah. I moved it to break even and got nicked out. I don't want to mess around with this. I can jump back in. But man, this is not, I want to see it take off. I don't care about losing, man, but I want it to do what it's supposed. Look, backing off. That was a small loss on that one. Small loss was good. I recognized we weren't doing nothing. I moved that stop up real tight. All right. So we close like that. That 15-minute trade to the upside's off the table. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift into my high probability setups. Again, it broke. It paused. I moved that stop up. Got nicked out for a baby loss. I lost on that trade Friday too. So I'll take a shot to the downside, but to the upside, that 15 minutes off the table. I'm glad I got out. Shit. Damn, look at these wicks. Pretty tricky right now. But I got a lot of people. I got out for a baby loss. And I mean like a 1-point loss. 1 point. It either works or it don't work. All right, but we are in a bullish strong. Momentum over here is rising. So I'm in a high probability environment. I want to go long. Ticks are negative. So again, that 15-minute trade failed. All right. So I'm watching to see if we can hold. We're on top of the VWAP. Okay. Gonna see if we can pop up. But I like this environment, right? I'm looking for a bounce, right? A flag. Looking for that flag. It's pretty much all I care about right now. All right. Market's up 15. How is the everything else? Dow Jones is up 187. Gold's up a little bit. Silver's down. All right. Nothing's really jumping out at me as far as percentage gain, but I'm looking to go long. We can bounce. That's where I'm at right now. This is my high probability. Yeah. Charles said it came within 3 ticks of his target. Buying pressure is met. All right. This is that engulfing bar, right? These engulfing bars are tricky. Those engulfing bars are tricky, man. They fake a lot of people out. Selling off. Okay, so that's a Harani. Right, this is our low. Let's see if we can get some momentum back up here. I'm looking to go long with an entry. But watch out. Watch out around this VWAP, right? Watch out on this area. Okay. You got this engulfing bar. Might be an engulf bar trap. Or could be that. So right now it's tricky. I'm not in this trade. I'm waiting for an entry. Boy, I'm glad I didn't jump in. That right there got a lot of people, man. It's an engulf bar trap. Right there. Engulf bar trap. Tricky son of a bitch is what it is. Just watching. That's what we got to do, right? Just be patient. But right now, all eyes are on the upside for me. If I can get a signal, I'm going to take it. I'm watching these ticks also. See if these ticks start to pick back up. We had that bearish divergence. We got out for a baby loss. Boy, am I glad I got out. Wow. I got out way up here. It's crazy. Working our way down. Basically, we're almost right back at the pretty much the open. If we can come down there and hold it and bounce, I don't mind going long. Ah. Damn, I'm starting to feel like Shaq right now. I had to go to the bathroom real quick. Set up for the move here. Dang it. See if we can hold this area. Right now, it's just kind of drifting down. Man, I gotta go to the restroom, dude. Shit. All right, I'll be right back. Dang it, this hits me. It's hitting me like Shaq at the wrong time, man. Yeah, I'll be right back. If I miss it, I miss it. Oh, well. Man, sorry. I gotta go to the restroom, man. Jeez. I made it back, though. That's good. All right. So we got no entry anyway. We're about to change here. So, look, we've given up all that move here. So, let's see. That's going to probably be our low. Maybe. 44.25. All right. More than likely, that's going to be our low, which means I'm going to shift gears back to my 30-minute trade. All right, let's see. Okay, so and we did, man, we're still high probability. So let's see what happens over here. I'm gonna zoom in. Watch out for the fake out of the trap. Man, it's got to stop right here, though. Yeah, it usually does. Watch out for the trap. Okay, I'm going to go short. And we'll see if it holds. Okay. Could be faking out. Could get us. It's fine. We'll see what happens. I'm not going to give it much room, though. This trade's either going to work or it's not. The 15-minute and 30-minute trade have not really worked that well for me. But I'm going to keep trading it. Ticks are picking up. Okay. All right. We're starting to move a little bit. See if we can get some steam to the downside. I won't be giving this much room at all. Fucker. It's not looking good. Bam! That trade has not worked out. Oh, well, I'm going to keep trading it. But I'm starting not to like it. Starting not to like it. Look at that. Basically what happened before. So that 30-minute, the 15-minute break didn't work, and the 30-minute didn't work. Huh. And now look. Yeah. The trade's off the table. What the hell? Wait, what the hell's going on here? Hang on. Now I'm trying to get in this long. It doesn't look like that's going to happen. So I'm switching gears. I'm out of that 30-minute. Now I'm back into my high probability setup. All right. I'm going to cancel that. All right. So now I'm back to my high probability setup right here. That bounce. I was looking to take it. So that 30-minute trade did not work. The 30-minute didn't work and the 15-minute didn't work. I got too many lines here, man. They're throwing me off, dude. But I am in a high probability. I wanted to take that bounce. Missed it. Now we're going back up, right? This is tricky. Man, I really wanted to take that bounce. So, if you are watching me on YouTube, here's the way I'm going to do it here. We're going to cut off YouTube right now. We're going to continue to trade inside of the members area. All right, we're going to day trade a lot more today. Swing trade options. I'll probably look at cryptos sometime later today. All that good stuff. So, if you want to join me and the team, check down below in the description. I'll be back on here again. So, Eric, what's going on, Eric? Good. Just saw you over there, brother. Hey, good morning. Be back on here tomorrow, my friend. Tomorrow, members only, as well as students. All right? We'll see you later, brother. Peace out. Big week. Do good. Do good, Eric. All right, what'd you say?